अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर पेश करेंगी शहरीन बानो दर्जा चाहरुम, वो आएँ और अंग्रेज़ी में तकरीर पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वक़फ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा, अम्मा बाद, अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कुल इन्नमा अना बशरुम मिस्लुकुम। Respected teachers, dear audience and all my friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I want to speak on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We are the Muslims. Our religion is Islam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. We are his followers. He was born at Makkah in Saudi Arabia. His father's name was Abdullah. His mother's name was Amina. Abdul Muttalib was his grandfather. He was born in the tribe called Quraysh. He was very gentle since his childhood. He always told the truth. He kept away from bad boys and work. When he was 40, Allah bestowed prophethood on him. The Holy Quran was also revealed on him. He obeyed Allah and taught us to obey him. Sadaqallahul Azim.